How to fix host process for Windows tasks high disk or CPU usage. Malware or viruses can cause abnormal resource usage. Running a full system scan using your antivirus software can detect and remove these malicious programs. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Advanced System Settings. Navigate to the Visual Effects tab. Choose the Adjust for Best Performance option. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes.
Now your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work, if all else fails, resetting Windows can resolve persistent issues by reinstalling the operating system while keeping your personal files. Select Keep My Files and Cloud Download. Next, pick whether you want to reinstall the apps. Click Reset. Your system will restart, and the process of Windows reset will begin.